In this video, I'll be showing you how I create this colorful halo eyelid. So I first start off by priming my face with Maybelline Master Prime Base. After applying primer, I'll go in with the L'Oreal True Match Powder, and this will give my foundation another extra layer so that I can have a nice full coverage. So going in with the sponge, I use the Maybelline Super Stay in the color 330 and apply that all over. I press it into my skin and just blend it on out. I also add a little to my eyelids to make sure I have an even tone in that area also. So next I go in with the NYX white base, and I use that to prime my eyelids. And I blend it out with the fluffy brush. So using the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, I go in with the color Zobo, and I apply that to my crease area. Then I also go in to my inner and outer corners of my lid with that color, and I blend that out. So then I go in with a concealer and I apply that to the center of my lid. And then after that, I go in with the color Chai, and that will be my center halo color. And I blend that shimmery color on out and apply it until I get the color payoff that I want. Then next I go in with Zola and I apply that on the outer sides of the Chai color. And then I just blend that all together and smooth out the edges. And then I go back in with Zobo and I add that to my outer corner and then my inner and crease areas. Then using the Black Radiance contour palette, I go in with the contour color and I add that to my cheekbones and my forehead also. Then I go in with the sponge and I contour my nose also. Then I add the remainder concealer that I have on my brush under the contour to even enhance it a little bit more. And I blend that out with the brush. So using that L'Oreal powder again, I go in and buff out my skin and blend all the powders together that I just applied. Then I add a blush using the ColourPop Super Shot blush, and I blend that on out also with a fluffy brush. So out of that Black Radiance contour palette, I use the highlight color in that palette with the fan brush and apply that to my higher areas of my cheekbones. And then I go with my finger and apply that to my nose afterwards. And then back into that Masquerade palette, I go in with the color Giza and I apply that to my inner corner. So I go in with a black eyeliner and I apply that to my lower lash line. And before that, I added a wing liner using a liquid eyeliner. And I finished off by setting my face. So I added a simple gloss and finished the look off with some lashes. And here is the final look. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!